In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the row echelon form and the row reduced echelon form of a matrix using a CASIO FX-9860GII graphing calculator. And for this video, we're going to focus on solving a worked example. So we've got a matrix A, which is a non-standard 2x4 matrix, and we're going to find the row reduced echelon form and the row echelon form. So the first step is to ensure that your calculator is in the right mode. So you'll press menu and then ensure that it's in the run map mode with option 1. Then you need to see these options here. If you can't see those options, keep pressing exit until you get back to the main menu screen. So we're going to choose math on option 4. Then we're going to choose mat on F1. And then this brings us into our matrix editor. We've got a non-standard matrix, so none of these standard ones are going to be any use. So we have to use the m by n. Then we need to set the dimensions. So we've got a 2x4 matrix. I'm using execute to input that. And then that lets you put the matrix in. So we have to enter all the data. So we've got 1, using the arrow keys to enter it all. Then 6, and then we've got 5. Then 3, and then the remainder is just going to be 1s. Right, we need to then assign this to a matrix. So I'm going to call this matrix A. You can't store it in just A as a variable, it has to be matrix A. So we're going to use this arrow here to assign it. Then we're going to do shift, and then mat, then alpha, and then option A. And when you press equals, that will set that to the correct matrix. So this is now stored in the calculator as mat A, and we can recall that. So we need to now access the functions to find the row reduced echelon form and the row echelon form. So to do that, you want to press option, then F2 for matrix, and then you want to press F6, and there's your row echelon form and your row reduced echelon form. So let's just try row reduced echelon form, then shift, matrix, alpha for A. So I've just typed it in like that. Press execute, and that gives you the row reduced echelon form. And you can see the right setup with the zeros and the ones. Then just by exactly the same method, we can do row echelon form and then recall matrix A and then run that, and it will find the row echelon form. So that's how you find row reduced echelon form and row echelon form on this brand of CASIO graphing calculator. So if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe below for more on this calculator and others. And finally, thank you very much for watching.